Hello, I am Luo. My lovely nephew was born. My cousin told me this child is the most giant baby of the month, over 4,000 grams. He is my 外甥, and his mother, my cousin, is my 表姐. Don't know what I'm saying? Click on the link below to learn how to address relatives in Taiwan. In celebration of newborns, I like to bring up three interesting customers that are related to newborn babies. 洗三. 洗 is 清洗 for short, which means to wash. 三 is number 3. In ancient times, babies will not burst immediately after birth until 3 days. After 3 days, the families will boil a pot of water with a few plants and will use this water to bathe the baby. Then pray to the God who protects his children, hoping that the children will grow up safely. Meanwhile, that far-flung relatives and friends know that the baby has been born. Nowadays, thanks to smartphones, you will know immediately that the baby has been born. When the mother can use her phone, she will send a picture of her beautiful baby covered in blood to let everyone know that they have a new family. 满月,弥月. 满月 refers to a full month after the birth of a newborn, also known as 弥月. In addition to Washper, there is an important ceremony on this day. It's 剃头礼, ceremony of shaving baby's hair. Parents will shave their baby's hair, hoping to get rid of bad luck and bring good luck in the future. In some families, the hair is even collected to make writing brush as a souvenir. Okay, this type 这边重来. This type of writing brush is called 胎毛笔, infant's hair writing brush. Some families will have a 满月 banquet and invite relatives and friends to celebrate, but most people will choose to send food as a symbol of sharing joy. When I was little, we always know the gender of the baby by looking at its 蜜月礼. If it's a box of steamy glutinous rice with a chicken leg and a red-dyed boiled eggs, it's a boy. If it's a box of softer sweet cake, it's a girl. Why does the baby's gender affect the gift box contents? Let me explain in 2 idioms. 弄璋之喜 vs 弄瓦之喜. These 2 idioms are from the same old. 诗经. 诗经 is the oldest existing collection of Chinese poetry. It was written between the 11th and 7th century BCE. 诗经小雅思甘，乃生男子，在寝之床，在衣之裳，在弄之章，乃生女子，在寝之地，在衣之屉，在弄之瓦. This is classical Chinese, meaning if you have a boy, put him to bed, dress him nicely, and give him a jade as a toy. 章 means jade. In ancient times, officials carry a hoe when they attend meetings. Only the powerful and the nobles had their hoe made of jade. So it says the boy can have jade as a toy because he could become a powerful and noble person in the future. If it's a girl, let her sleep on the floor Wrap her body in a small blanket, and let her play with the shadow on the room. Only in this way will she be able to endure hardship and be a good tailor when she grows up. Wa refer to shadow on the room. It's made of terracotta, 陶瓷, 陶瓦, baked in Latin. I think this is the earliest record of Chinese culture performing songs to daughters. So in the past, some families did not celebrate the birth of girls because it was not considered a joyful thing. When I was a little girl, the Taiwanese people started to think that the birth of child, regardless of gender, is a thing worth celebrating. So the 蜜月礼 becomes a box of meal or a sweet cake. Of course, we are not making that distinction anymore. My 外甥 蜜月礼 is a box of cookie, and it's delicious. I like it. We get the gift to express our feeling that we are so happy for them. We will prepare some gifts for the baby. Some people choose to give baby clothes or jewelry. Grandparents will choose 长命锁. It's a necklace. Put it on the baby, hoping that baby can avoid disasters, exorcise evil spirits, and live a long life. Today, the easy way is to give the baby a red envelope. Yes, give red envelopes, not only for the Lunar New Year, but also for happy events such as getting married, having a child, or children going to college. We can even do online research to be sure the mountain is appropriate. No need to worry about being lured by giving cash. We will make the cash into the shape we like. 抓周 Zhuazhou is a little game for a baby's first birthday. The earliest records are from 魏晋南北朝. Various items are prepared and placed around the baby. These items symbolize different occupations. The first item the baby catches might be the occupation the baby will have in the future. Up to 36 objects can be prepared, and I'd like to list 12 of them as an illustration. If he catch 毛笔 writing brush, he might become a writer 作家 or 乐器 musical instrument will become a 音乐家 musician. 天平 Libra is heavy, but 法律工作者 legal profession seems good. 印章 seal is easy to catch, but 公务员 civil servant need pass a lot of exams. 厨具 kitchenware. I like 厨师 chef. 听诊器 stethoscope. But medical personnel 医疗人员 is hard work. 算盘 abacus will be a 商人 businessman. 彩妆品 cosmetics. 彩妆师 makeup artist. 美容师 beautician. I'm not familiar with this. 玩具枪 towing guns. 执法人员 law enforcement officers. That's a dangerous occupation. 滑鼠 mouse. 科技业 technology industry. 运动用品 sporting goods. 运动员 athletes. I don't like sport. 游戏把手 game controller. 电竞选手 e-sport player. I think 电竞选手 e-sports player is also a good choice, so I added it to my list. I wonder if I can take my game controller to a birthday party. But my cousin is a traditional woman. Maybe she will tear my controller apart with her bare hand, like a bear. Now let's review today's vocabulary. 清洗 wash 平安长大 grow up safely 满月蜜月 a full month after birth of a newborn 剃头礼 ceremony of shaving baby's hair 胎毛笔 infant's hair writing brush 陶瓷陶瓦 terracotta 重男轻女 prefer sons to daughters 抓周 a little game for the baby's first birthday 蜜月礼 baby's parents will send a box of food to relatives and friends to share their joy. Okay, it's today's video. I hope you like it and share your idea with me. Thank you for watching and see you next time.